Several months ago, we did a video highlighting 10 methods to repurpose your firewood ash. Now, since we've done that video, we've had a whole lot of feedback, viewers' comments and suggestions about things that they thought we missed or things they thought should have been included. And honestly, when I did that video, I thought I wanted to keep it to about 10 minutes, and it was going to be tough to do any more than that. But today we're going to do another 9. We're going to do 9 methods to repurposing firewood ash inside, outside your home, and thereabouts. I think if you're familiar with homesteading and self-sufficient living, a few of these today you're going to be really familiar with. I'm trying to use some examples today, though, that are going to be both original and unique and verifiable. So a couple points before we go on. You want to wear gloves anytime you're handling firewood ash. Silicone or latex is fine. You just want to kind of prevent your skin from extended exposure to the ash. You want to use cold ash. There's nothing that I'm going to show you how to do today that's going to involve using hot embers from your stove. The ash should be dry and powdery. Now, there was one example for using it as ice melt on your driveway and sidewalk during the last segment, that it was beneficial to use ash with a little bit of chunks in it. But for the most part, we're going to be suggesting just fine powdery ash. Also, this ash should be from seasoned cordwood, firewood. I don't suggest using painted wood, chemically treated wood, cardboard, newsprint, anything with inks, or household trash. So with all that said, let's go. One of the most popular and well-known uses is soap. You can make lye using just plain old household tap water, but it's probably preferable to use rainwater. It's going to be softer and it's going to lack the minerals of most household tap water. You'll also probably get better results using hardwoods such as oak, hickory, or walnut over softwoods like pine. How about wood ash as a drain cleaner? Yep. Tomatoes love wood ash. Wood ash is loaded in calcium. All you need to do is add a 1/4 cup of ash to each hole before you plant your start in the beginning of the year. Not only will that help the tomatoes resist blight, but it will give them a nice boost during the growing season. And it's great at polishing metal. Just add enough water to create a paste until you've got a nice gritty substance, and it will be very effective at polishing your silver, your brass, even your glass. A good formula, rule of thumb, is about 1 cup of ash, 1/4 cup of water, until you get a thick plaster consistency. Bleach. When you mix wood ash with water, this lye water can be used as a bleaching agent or a laundry detergent. Ironically, this means that you can use dirty old ash to make your clothes brighter. Do you need to remove the hair from an animal hide? The lye water from wood ash will do it. Did you know that you can store last year's seeds in wood ash? All you need is a clay pot, a resealable clear plastic bag, or a mason jar with a screw-tight lid. Put your seeds inside the container, cover them with at least 1 to 2 inches of wood ash, seal it tightly, and store it in a cool, dark place. Wood ash is a great substitute for oil dry, kitty litter, or sand when it comes to cleaning up an oil or hydraulic mess in your garage or on your driveway. You simply pour the ash over the top of the spill, allow it to draw the liquid up. Sometimes with a strong bristle broom you can work it back and forth. Other than that, sweep it up and dispose of it properly. You can use wood ash to prevent freeze damage to the fruits and vegetables in your garden. Now, if you're interested, I'm going to post a video right here, and that'll lead you to our first video, which will show you our original 10 methods for repurposing your firewood ash. You can hit the subscribe button to follow us, or you can take a look at the videos that I'll post here if you'd like to see a little more of what American Outdoors is all about. Thanks for watching, folks, and God bless.